Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for this session is Slide Master Views. So as we are discussing about the Slide Master View, we have already discussed about the using the Slide Master Views, and we have discussed about how to make changes to all these slides in just a few clicks. Now in this session we'll be discussing about customizing the slide layouts. We'll discuss that how do we customize an existing slide layout, how do we customize the text formatting, how can we create the new slide layout, and how do we insert a new slide layout. Now starting with the first point, that is to customize an existing slide layout. What does that mean? First of all, we need to open the Slide Master view. Click on the View tab and then select Slide Master. Now we have got the Slide Master view here. The point that we are going to discuss is to customize an existing slide layout. Now the point which we are going to discuss is to customize an existing slide layout. We have this layout here. Now suppose if you want to resize some placeholder, or if you want to resize something on the slide, then how do you do it? How do you customize that? In this example, as we can see that the logo and the text which is written, that is getting overlapped. Now suppose you have got this kind of situation in your slides in the presentation that the logo is getting overlapped, and then you need to resize some kind of placeholder. There is some graphic which has been holding it or which has been hiding it. Then how you can do it? You can resize it from these sizing handles. You have the option available, but instead of doing it in this slide, we have two options, that either do it for the slide where the text is getting overlapped, or do it in the master slide. If you are going to do it in the slide master, then the change is going to be reflected in the entire presentation. But if you are going to make the change for this particular slide layout, for example, this one is the title and the content layout, and this particular layout is being used by 3 slides in the presentation. So whatever change we are going to make here, it's going to reflect in the 3 kind of slides only. So as per the requirement, and if that suits or that matches to the presentation, you can make the changes in the few slides as well, or you can make the changes to the entire presentation as well. Now I want to show you one more thing here. You can see that we have inserted this particular object in all these slides. However, sometime what happened, the background graphic that may be hidden. So in this case, to show the graphics, we need to uncheck the hide background graphic, this checkbox. Once you place a check mark here, it's not showing you the graphic here now, and you remove it, it's showing you the background graphic. This particular object that we have inserted, that has become the background graphic for this particular slide. You can take it anywhere. I'm just overlapping it with the text just to show you that this is a kind of background graphic that we have inserted in the slide. So now you can select these kind of slides. This is the option available, hide the background graphic. If you place a check mark here, it's not showing you the graphic, the background graphic for this slide. So depending on your requirement, if you want, you can just take off the graphic also. Other than this, if you have some other kind of graphic available in your slide in the presentation, then also you can do it. You can select that particular slide and you can select this option, hide the background graphic, and the object would be gone from that particular slide type. So this is how you can customize the slide layout. Alright. So the next point that we are going to discuss is customizing the text formatting. This is very simple. Again, you need to open the slide master view, and this is as simple. You can select the text, you can change the font or color or whatever, like we have selected red right now. Let's select the dark blue or some other color. You can change the font as well. Let's say this. Now this particular slide, this is used by 3 slides. Click on the slide master tab and click on close. And now you can see that 4, 5 and 6. This is having a different kind of the different color and the font. So this is how you can make the changes to the text. Again, the thing is same. If you want to make the changes for all these slides, then make the changes in the slide master. And if you want to make changes for few slides only, then select the layout and then make the changes. So depending on the requirement, you can do it anyways. Now the other point that we are going to discuss is how to insert a new slide layout. Click on the view and select slide master view. You have an option available here, insert a layout. Select this option and you will get a new layout here, custom layout. You'll be getting some options here like the title, the footer. You have the title, a placeholder here, and the footer here. You can remove the check mark and you can see that how it's making the change here. You're not getting the title even. These are the 2 default placeholders you will get with this new slide layout. If you want to insert more placeholders, then you have the option available, insert placeholder. Click on the drop down and depending on, like suppose we want to insert a picture, you can click here, you can insert a picture here. This is the placeholder for inserting a picture. Now clip art. So in your own way you can define the placeholders here, and this is the new customize layout for you that you have created. After finishing this, now you suppose you want to place some text here, picture, clip art, movie, or you have designed the entire layout. Now you want to save this layout. We have the name available for all the layouts. This one is the title slide layout. This one that we have created right now is custom layout. You want to change the name of this. Right click and rename the layout. Suppose you want to enter here customized layout that you have created. Click on the rename, customized layout. Let the name here as customized layout used by no slide. So this is how you can create your own layout for inserting in these slides. Now close the master view. Suppose you want to insert some slide layout now. This is the one that we have created, customized slide layout. So you can click now and this kind of slide would be inserted on your presentation. So that's it for this session. We have discussed about the customizing the layouts, that how do we insert a new slide layout, how do we rename it, and for the other options like to use these custom layout and using the layout in other presentation, and how do we save it as a theme, we'll be discussing this in the other session. So thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.